Today we are going to solve this array search question. In this we have to find this x element. If it is present in this array, then we have to return that index of the element, otherwise we have to return -1. So we will traverse the whole array and check one by one. If array of I equals to x, then we will return I, otherwise we will return -1. So we will traverse the array int I equals to 0, I less than array dot size I plus plus. If array of I equals to x, then return index, otherwise return -1. It's taking a lot of time, I don't know why. Finally done and submit. Okay.